What would happen if we were to put under the same roof a would-be playwright, a successful author, an aspiring actress, and a second-rate star of the Footlights? Let's add a depressed emo who hates her life, a frustrated schoolteacher obsessed with money, and a doctor caught up in the middle. Oh wait! There's also a horse freak, an unhappy and jealous wife, and an old guy in a wheelchair. Okay, the story goes like this. Try to keep up. Metavanko loves Masha, but Masha is in love with Konstantin. Konstantin loves Nina, but Nina loves Trigorin. Arkadina also loves Trigorin, and Soren also loves Nina. Shamraev loves Paulina, but Paulina loves Dorn. Trust me, this is way better than keeping up with the Kardashians.